Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Here we upload interesting content about tips, tricks and many other solution videos. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so as to be the first to get notified when we upload a new video. And for our subscribers and return viewers, we thank you so much for your massive support. Y'all are the best. On today's video, we are going to look at password, pattern and fingerprint. Which one is best for securing your phone? With the amount of personal data we keep on our phones, security is essential. Android phones are encrypted by default and provide multiple methods for locking and unlocking them. Some are more secure, while others more convenient to use. So what's the best way to lock your Android phone? Let's take a look. We begin with the password. For all its faults, the password is still the most secure way of locking your phone. A strong password can be difficult if not impossible to crack, and will ensure your phone and everything on it remains safe. The downside to the password is that you need to type it in when you unlock your phone. That's something we do up to 100 times every day on average, and it just isn't convenient. Instead, try using a password as the backup to a biometric option for a robust security solution. Now we go to PIN code. A PIN code is a simple alternative to a password as it's easier to enter. Android allows PINs of up to 16 digits, which equates to 10 quadrillion combinations. While a 16-digit PIN is extremely secure, it's tough to remember. Most people are more likely to choose a 4-digit PIN, which has 10,000 combinations. It's unlikely anyone's going to guess that, as long as you don't use something obvious like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, 5, 5, 5. Its only downside is that a strong PIN of up to 16 digits can be difficult to remember. Now let's look at pattern lock. The pattern lock requires you to draw a pattern on a grid of 9 dots. You need to join between 4 and all 9 horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. It's easy to use because swiping gestures feel completely natural. Like passwords, the pattern lock is only as good as the pattern you choose. Connecting just 4 dots gives you only 1,624 combinations. Using all 9 has almost 400,000. Research shows that people can be both predictable and lazy when creating patterns. Most people draw common shapes. Worst of all, someone can figure out your pattern by looking over your shoulder. Because of all this, patterns aren't a great option when choosing how to lock your phone. Ultimately, you need to pick the security method that works best for you. For many of us, that means a fingerprint scan backed up with a strong password or PIN code. Face and iris scanning may become a better option once Android fully embraces them. Give us your opinion in the comments section. And if you found this video useful, support us by giving this video a thumb up and don't also forget to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.